In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a Snowflake table. Updating data in your Snowflake database is a crucial task that ensures your records reflect the most recent and accurate information. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of utilizing the update statement, which allows you to modify existing records according to specific conditions. Before we dive in, let's talk a little about why you might need to update your tables. Perhaps you've noticed some outdated information or received new data that needs to be integrated into what's already there. Whatever the case, ensuring your table remains current is essential for maintaining the integrity of your data analysis. With that context in mind, let's go through the steps. To start an update operation, you'll make use of the SQL update statement. This statement is designed to alter the data already present in your table. The basic structure of this statement is straightforward, but highly flexible to accommodate various conditions and requirements. Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll specify the target table. This is the specific table in your Snowflake database where the changes need to be made. Think of this table as the destination for your updated data. Once you've identified the target table, the next step is to determine which columns require updates and what the new values should be. This is done in the Set clause of your statement. Here, you list the column names alongside their corresponding new values. If you have multiple columns that need updates, you can separate each with a comma to make sure all changes happen in a single execution. Another powerful aspect of the update statement is the ability to join additional tables in the process. By using the optional From clause, you can specify other tables that might be involved in determining the new values, rather than updating the target table in isolation. This can be particularly useful when your data update needs context from other related tables to be accurate. For instance, you might want to update a column based on information from a different table, ensuring all related data remains synchronized across your database. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, consider the conditions under which the updates should occur. The Where clause is essential here. It defines which records in your target table will be updated, and it should be crafted carefully to address only the records that truly need alteration. This precision helps prevent unwanted changes and keeps your dataset accurate and reliable. To summarize, updating a Snowflake table involves specifying the target table, setting which columns need new values, potentially joining additional tables for context, and finally, defining the conditions that determine which records to update. By following these steps, you keep your Snowflake database up to date, ensuring high quality and trustworthy data. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your Snowflake tables effectively.